Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you some really fun and easy to do UV resin charms. You will need UV resin, gold setting frame, pearl pigment powder, packing tape, silicone cups, mixing tools, and a UV lamp. First, use clear tape to tape the back of the setting frame. Clear packaging tape works great with open bezel or a setting frame without a base, so it's not slippery and it keeps the frame in the middle. UV resin does not stick to the tape, so it's easy to peel off once it's cured too. Then add UV resin in a silicone cup and mix it with desired colors. Then here's the fun part. Just fill up the colors. You can use any pointy tools to lead the colors to hard to reach corners. UV resin will cure under UV or known as ultraviolet light, or you can choose to put them under the sun for about 20 minutes. Simple silicone tools works well with UV resin. It's easy to clean after the resin is set, or you can just peel them off or wipe it away with tissue paper. Here I have an ice cream and cupcake gold setting frame. After filling up all the colors, just put them under the UV light for about 20 minutes to cure. Once done, apply another layer of UV resin on top to create a shiny and embossing surface. Ta-da! These charms are ready to make into any keychains or decorative accessories. I hope you like my project and happy crafting! Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, bye!